My people, una welcome back to my YouTube channel, DIY Farm. For this channel, we dey talk about poultry farming, both organic and synthetic. And na pidgin we dey use dey teach everything concerning poultry farming for this our YouTube channel. Abeg, if you dey new to the channel, no forget to subscribe. Hit that bell to get notified when we drop another video. Follow our Facebook page when be DIY Farm. The formula of DIY now, it means say you go fit do am yourself, do it yourself. So now make we go. For today's video, we wan talk about poultry farming. How you go take start successful poultry farming. Na wetin we wan talk about for this channel. Then after that, we go define the meaning of poultry farm. After we don define am, we go come talk about 5 steps wey go help you fit do successful poultry farm. So if you dey new to this channel, no forget to subscribe. Na just new channel, we dey talk about poultry farming. So before we start, we need to define wetin poultry farm mean. So to start, poultry farm na the process whereby we dey train various domestic birds like chicken, turkey, duck fowl, geese and other birds, either for their meat or for egg production. And this poultry farming na lucrative business, na profitable agricultural business. So if you wan enter the business, e dey good make you enter the business. So now we go talk about 5 steps wey go fit help you start successful poultry farm. Make we first outline them. After that, we go talk about them one after the other. The first step na choose the type of birds wey you wan train. The second one na select good farm site or location for your birds. The third one na make you provide good house and shelter for your birds. The fourth one na feeding and medication of your bird. And the last one na marketing and sales of your poultry birds. Na the 5 steps wey go fit help me start successful poultry farm. So make we talk about the first one. The first one, as we don talk, e say choose the type of poultry bird to start with. So before you start poultry farm, you need to understand the type of birds wey you wan train. For Nigeria, apart from local fowl or local birds wey we dey train, we still get 2 major type of birds wey dey common among poultry farmer. We have broilers and we have layers. These broilers na man or woman birds wey dey train for meat production, na im be broilers. As you see this one so, na broilers e be. Na man or woman bird for meat production. Then this broiler, one thing about this broiler be say the thing dey grow fast. Within 1.5 months to 2 months, e go fit get weight of 2 kg or 2.5 kg. So e mean say these birds dem dey grow fast. While the one wey dem dey call layer na commercial bird wey dem dey train to lay egg. Another one wey we still get na layers bird. This layers bird na commercial birds wey dem train for egg production. These birds dem dey start to dey lay egg from 19 week till 78 week. So e mean say dem dey lay egg plenty, and from this egg you go fit get your gain. We still get other one wey dem dey call cockerel and noilers. Now you see this one so, na cockerel e be. Cockerel na birds, na man birds wey dey for meat production, or na small birds wey dem dey train for meat production. But one thing about this cockerel be say dem no dey grow fast. Dem fit reach 1.5 kg or 2 kg within 6 months or even 7 months sef. So e mean say these birds dem no dey grow fast. Another one again wey we still get na noilers. Noilers na dual purpose birds. Dem dey lay egg and you fit use dem for meat. So if you wan start poultry farming, you need to know the kind of birds wey you wan raise so that you go know how you go take get profit for your poultry farm. Another step wey go still help us start successful poultry farm na select suitable farm location or site. So where your poultry farm dey, e dey very important to your poultry business. So to start a poultry farm, you need farm location or farm site. So and again, the size of your poultry site, e go determine the number of birds wey you go raise. So if you get small land and you wan build poultry house, you go build house wey go fit accommodate the birds like for 50, 100, 200 or 2000. But if you get big land wey you fit build hall for your poultry house, you go fit accommodate plenty birds. And again, your poultry farm site, e go dey free from poultry predators. Poultry predator na dis harmful animal wey dey attack your poultry for back, such as snake, scorpion, rat and bush cat. So your poultry farm site go dey free from dis one. And again, your poultry farm site, e go get clean water, e go dey pollution free. Make we go to the third step. The third step na make you provide good housing and shelter for your poultry bird. So when e come to poultry farming, the next important factor after you don get good poultry site na poultry housing. Because dis poultry housing dem dey help to protect your bird from sunlight and over rain. And again, your poultry house, e go dey wide enough so that e go fit accommodate the bird. Make the birds dem dey run freely, make dem dey move freely. And again, dis your poultry house, e go raise up so that flood no go fit enter there, or so that heavy sun no go fit enter there. Make e dey up. And again, make e get place wey be say air go dey pass, because your birds dem need air. The number fourth one na feeding and medication of your bird. So for your poultry farming to dey successful, you need to give your bird quality food. Quality food dey important for your bird. Like when you dey start to dey train bird, like from day old to almost 5 to 6 weeks, if na broilers you dey train, you give dem starter. Dat starter, e get enough protein wey go help your bird bone strong. Then from 6 weeks upward, you dey give dem finisher so that e go give dem weight, so that dem go dey balance, dem go dey ready for market. And again, for cockerel, you fit give dem starter from day 1 till 2 months. Then after that, you give dem grower. When e don reach time wey you wan sell dem, you give dem finisher. So good feed, e dey very important, because if you give your bird contaminated food, e go affect your bird, e go give your bird sickness, your bird sef even fit die. And again, to give your bird medicine and vaccination, e dey very important to your poultry farm. So you suppose get vaccination schedule and medication schedule wey you go dey give your bird, because dis one dey help prevent disease and still make your bird make dem grow well. So for another of my video, I go show una vaccination schedule for different breed of bird like cockerel, layers, noilers, turkey and even broilers. The number 5th step na marketing and sales of your poultry birds. So poultry farming, as we know, na profitable agricultural business. Gain dey the business well well, and na the joy of every farmer for am to sell im birds well, to get high return from im birds. Na the joy of every farmer, and na the joy of every farmer to get gain when e dey sell im birds. So e dey very important make we dey pay at ten tion to the marketing and sales of our poultry bird. So now the following ideas will help us to sell and market our poultry bird. Wetin be some of those ideas? You fit carry your business to internet, carry dem online. For example, you fit advertise your business for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, even your YouTube channel, to let people know say you dey do dis business. Put your phone number, put your location there. When you do like that, you dey create awareness to people. You fit still carry am to social media, put your address, put your location, put your number. Dat one go still help pipu make dem trace you wey dem wan buy. And another one, you fit sell your poultry birds to hotel pipu. We know say hotel pipu dem dey deal on meat, dem dey use am for pepper soup and dem still put am for food for pipu. So if you wan sell your poultry bird, you need go meet dem, tell dem say oga, madam, I dey do dis business. If you need dis bird, contact me. You fit give am your contact card, you fit show am your location, you fit even give am your phone number. Dat one go help you. And another one, you fit do home service. If pipu dem no get chance to come, you fit carry am for your bike or your motor go give dem. Dat one go help dem. But if you no get chance, you fit employ sales boy or sales girl. When you do dat one, you go happy well well for your poultry farming. Abeg make you no forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel DIY Farm. So na the 5 step wey we don talk wey go fit help you start successful poultry farming. And again, e dey important make you get knowledge about dis poultry farm. Na dat one go really help you. And again, when you get dat knowledge, you apply am with dis step wey we don discuss for dis video, God go really help you. Your poultry farming go dey successful. So make we outline those steps again. The first one na make you choose the type of poultry bird to raise. The second one na select good farm location or site. The third one na provide good housing and shelter for your bird. The fourth one na feeding and medication of your poultry bird. And the last one na marketing and sales of your poultry bird. Na the 5 steps wey go fit help us start successful poultry farm be dat. No forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Na just the thing wey we wan talk for dis channel be dis. Bye. See you in my next video.